Hey guys, it's Scott Anderson here. I've been a little MIA recently because I'm currently out of town and I had a little cold, some sickness going on, but I'm back at it to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving and want to thank you for being such great supporters of the channel and grateful for my current subscribers. So thanks guys. In this video, I'm going to share with you how anybody, literally anybody, can make money on Black Friday with a smartphone. Just that's all you need to have is a smartphone, and you can seriously start cashing in on some commissions. So I'm going to teach you how right after this intro. Okay, I want to make this video very short and simple to help you guys understand how simple it really is to make money during this time on Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that stuff. So if you have a smartphone, which I'm assuming a lot of you do, that's all you need. This and family and friends. Let me explain why. Okay, so during this time of season, everybody is thinking of shopping. Black Friday, everybody knows like there are killer deals out there right now. So people are kind of in this buying mood. They want to know where the good deals are. I mean, literally, like everybody. Like, why would you not? Like, if you could say to your close friend, like, hey, guys, I was at Walmart the other day, and they're selling a 55-inch TV for only $200. That's still a deal. You're like, where is it? Like, people like to know this stuff. Or, guys, I was able to save like 40% on an Amazon Echo today. Like, where? Show me where that is, right? So, guys, that is the simple, basic way of, well, what that is it's just referring your friends, family, other people a product. And that is essentially what affiliate marketing is. It's really simple, guys. So once again, this is really serious stuff. You can make money with your friends and family just by sending them a text message. Hey, I found this awesome deal. It's 50% off. And you send them that affiliate link. It goes to their Amazon, wherever that link is, and voila, you get paid. So guys, I'm going to share with you my screen here. But see how Amazon is right here? Like Black Friday deals. Like you could literally capture so many deals. And the cool thing is that if you send somebody to Amazon on a specific product and they don't like that product, but they find another deal on Amazon, you actually still, as a referrer, can get credit and still get paid. Now the commission rates on these are really small. It's only like 4% or something, but think about that. I mean, if the more and more people that are on Amazon and they're buying and buying, whether it's today or in 18 hours, so your affiliate link is good for 24 hours. So right now, here it is, Thanksgiving Day, people are going to be on Amazon for the next 24 hours. And if you can get this link in front of people's eyes and they click on that and then they start shopping and buying things on Amazon, then you will get paid. So that is how anybody can make money on Black Friday. So here we are on Amazon. See, here's a 43-inch TV for $200. You can share that with people. Be like, hey guys, look, I found this awesome Black Friday deal. Here's an Amazon Echo, the 3rd generation. It's $40 or 40% off. So what you do is you click up here. You have to sign up for an Amazon Associates account. It's really easy, really simple to do. And you'll end up downloading like this little toolbar up here. And you see this get link text. So that's my store ID, my tracking ID. That's my affiliate ID with Amazon. What I do is I just copy and paste that, and I can literally add that to my Instagram followers. I can put it on my Facebook profile. I can send text messages to my friends and family and be like, hey guys, thought I'd share a few deals with you that are going on right now on Amazon. They're Black Friday deals. Here, check out this Echo. And the cool thing is that when you share this with somebody, like they'll have no idea that it came from you. It's just going to come up just like this. So they're going to go to the link and find this. And when somebody buys this, then of course you as a referrer get a commission. So that is the most basic way to make money on Black Friday. I hope you guys understand this. You can literally do everything right from your smartphone. You don't even need a laptop. So guys, I hope you found that beneficial. If you did, please smash the like button and please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to learn more ways of how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, thanks for hanging in there. Have an awesome Thanksgiving and awesome weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.